we trade altcoin pumps, and velo we made 270%. I shared this trade in the private list on February 17. We bought this coin for 0.003 and you put a sell order right here, 0.01, 270% profit. I made $27,000. Let me show the trades I share in the private list. On the last 3 days, we traded the private list Moonwell, BitStore, Moeda Loyalty, Infinity Launch, H2O, and view, like just a mention about it. Take a look at this volume, guys. A lot of people think we make money trade coin with low price. The prices doesn't matter. We focus on volume. Volume is confirmation. 6.3 million. BitStore volume of 1.47 million. Guys, this volume in the last hour. Okay, Moeda Loyalty 5.2, Infinity 800,000, H2O 1.43 million, 28 million. Guys, we just made 5,500% profit. That means I made $55,000. You can make the same profit I do. You just need to follow my trades. In order to get my trade in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Let's talk about Bitcoin here. Like I mentioned, if you follow my Twitter account, you're gonna keep yourself updated about Bitcoin, guys. It's important. I put it here in my Twitter. Bitcoin now is heading to $18,000, and I explain why. Follow my Twitter account and keep yourself updated. I just mentioned about this bearish here. You got a higher highs and lower on the RSI. Let me open the chart here to make it more clear. Here, this is the Bitcoin chart. We have the price higher highs, and at the same time the RSI is hitting lower highs. This is divergence, guys. That means the price will down. That's how the market works. Don't worry about it. I will let you know when you should buy Bitcoin and the main cryptos. Okay. Next trade recap. It's H2ODAO. Guys, take a look at this. Before the pump, we have so many pre-pumps here. Take a look. Pre-pump volume, volume, volume. So I shared this trade in the private list on February 25th. We bought this coin for 0.11 and you put a sell order right here at 25 cents. Guys, 100% profit. I made $10,000 in this single trade. Next trade with that recap, loyalty, guys. Same strategy. Price go flat, volume spike. The lack of sellers, the price pump. Share this trade in the private list on 24. We bought this coin for 0.06 and you put a sell order right here. Daily resistance at 11 cents. I made $9,000 in this trade. I share all my trades in the private list. Trade crypto members, they just need to copy my trades. Okay, if you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. We trade together because together we are strong. Think about it. More people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. Okay. But the main cryptos is another thing I will let you know where you should buy and sell. Like I just mentioned, our friend Timothy asking, what are you gonna do when the price crashing? The price crash. You don't do nothing tomorrow because we don't buy and hold. We buy low and sell up high. Take a look what is the main cryptos here. They all going down because they follow Bitcoin, guys. They are trading no volume. There's no volume here. The coins we trade has volume. Okay, that's the reason the price goes up. All you gotta do is to follow my trades. Feel free to reach me out. Give me a like this video, share, and follow me on Twitter so you can keep yourself updated. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Bye bye.